Hello, my name is Hamza. I come from the Maldives, and this is my first time in Glojas Health Clinic. I would like to say it was a very nice experience coming to Malaysia first time and to have this kind of a service. It was really easy, you know. First I got a phone call, very nice, very friendly people. I come here, was introduced by a nice smile with nice people, and got a free appointment with the doctor, and took his time. He was really friendly, and also the nurses, everyone was really friendly, helped me calm down. Once they are offering me drinks, talking, everyone was talking. So in a way I was really surprised, and for the 5-star service I got, the price was really affordable, and so I could highly recommend everyone to come and have a look and take services here for beauty or for aesthetics, or if it is a medical situation. Thank you very much, and hope to see you.